All right, over the last 30 days, we've generated 88 furnace installation leads at an average cost per lead of $29 for one of our HVAC clients. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how we run Facebook ads and use automations to follow up and pre qualify leads 24/7 so our clients never waste time on low quality leads. If you're new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and I do lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button because I'll be dropping new videos weekly. Now, here's what we'll cover in this video. Number one, the importance of having a good offer. Number two, the best performing social media ad creatives views. Number three, using automations to follow up and pre qualify leads instantly on autopilot 24/7, and how to use retargeting to stay top of mind and to position yourself as the go to company in your area. Now, the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be your offer. And I'm just going to go over some of the offers that are less effective and are not recommended. And number one would be the classic free estimate. So, as you know, the free estimate, everyone's using them. It doesn't add value, and most contractors offer it free anyway. So, you don't want that to be your value proposition. Obviously, you're going to have to include free estimate, but you're going to have to do more to stand out. The other one would be the $1,000 off, which feels like a sales trick, and customer assume the price was inflated first. And the last one is the 40% off or 50% off or 20% off, which lacks transparency, and you're indirectly telling customers that your service was never worth the full price in the first place. Now, all these offers that you see here might have been effective once, but over the last, uh, how many years, everybody's been using them and they've become less effective. Consumers are seeing, these type of ad all the time. So you're gonna have to do something different to stand out. And all these offers right here is just gonna, sound gimmicky, and it's gonna cheapen your brand. It's gonna lack transparency, and sometimes, most of the time, it's gonna attract the wrong type of customers. Now, here's offers that actually work, and this is what's worked for our clients, which is we focus on value, expertise, guarantees, and risk reversals. And these offers still give customers a reason to act, but they don't devalue your core service. An example for one of our HVAC clients is the free upgrade. So, free smart thermostat with every furnace installation for the next 50 customers, which is this offer is a tangible value instead of a generic discount. Other example, our installations last. If it fails in 5 years, we replace it for free. So this is again gonna eliminate repair worries. Other one is if you have financing, which is no interest, no payment for 12 months, which is gonna remove financial barriers, making it easier for you to sell. Other one is payments as low as $47 per month, which is gonna make service more affordable. And the last one is for every job, we donate $100 to a local charity, which is going to build goodwill and trust. And you see how this is, different than just discounting your offer. Now, here's our top performing image and ad creatives views for our clients. Now, what we like to do is we like to use a price first strategy, which is going to pre qualify prospects in terms of budget. So, whatever your starting ad prices is, we like to put that in the ad. It's your financing price or just your upfront price. We like to put the starting ad prices. The other thing we do with our ads, we make sure the ads don't look like ads, because if your ads look like ads, people are just going to scroll past them. People are not on social media to, they're not there to see ads, right? It's a social platform, so your creatives got to like blend in and look organic to the platform if you want, better conversions and more eyeballs. The other thing is you're going to want to have your, ad creatives and your copy just transparent and just honest. And These are just a few type of ads that we use, which is if you have your completed project. So if you have this clients, we have their like furnace installation project, just a photo, could be before and after. You have your selfie style video. It's going to build trust and credibility. So we use all of this, in our ad campaign, and then we let Facebook decide the winner. Most of the time, video will outperform, but we like to always test. Now, once somebody sees your ad on Facebook, the call to action would be to, get a quote. Once they click on that, we're going to take them through 6 to 8 qualification questions to generate the highest quality of leads. So for this client of ours, here's just a sample, questions we ask. What type of home do you live in? What is the approximate footage of the property? Is the system operational? What powers your HVAC system? How old is your furnace? How soon are you looking to, replace your heating system? Phone number, and then, email, and phone number, email, and city. Very simple. So the more, kind of questions you ask, the more you're going to get, more qualified leads. Now, number two is that we pre-qualify leads 2 separate times. We have a robust 24/7 automation that follows up and pre-qualify leads. Because when someone fills out a form on Facebook, we're not just going to assume that they're legit leads right away. Because some people, they just fill out the form out of curiosity. Some, they've entered wrong number, and some are just not serious. They're just like time wasters or tire cookers, and you don't want to deal with them. So what we do instead is we don't just send these leads just right to our clients, because they're going to be dealing with a lot of bad leads if you just send them off like that. So what we do, we like to pre-qualify these leads. So we make sure our clients are only talking to the most qualified prospects. Now, what this system on the back end does that works on autopilot, number one, it confirms that the phone number is real and working. Number two, it makes sure that they're actually interested in moving forward. And I'm going to show you how that works. Just by the way, if you guys are finding this video, valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. So here we have an instant lead follow-up system. So the moment they hit submit, they submit the instant form on Facebook. We have an instant follow-up system that sends an SMS to the lead saying, for example, "Hi Peter, this is David from XYZ company. Thanks for requesting a quote for a new furnace. Just to make sure we've got the right phone number to provide your quote, please reply yes now." Now we're going to wait for that yes. Once they reply with a yes, that's when we're going to count these leads as a qualified lead. Now our end client is going to receive an immediate lead SMS and email notification, which is going to be, the phone number, email, and all the question that they answered in the instant form. And it's important that you call these leads immediately and book that in-home estimate. So now, the leads that don't reply with a yes, we're gonna follow up with them 3 consecutive times within the first hour. So the first follow-up goes out in 30 seconds, which is going to be the one we already went through, which is, "Hey, David from XYZ company, thanks for requesting a quote. Please reply with yes." Now, if they don't reply, we have a second follow-up that goes out after 10 minutes if they don't reply yes, which is going to say, "Hey, if you'd still like a quote, just reply with yes, and we'll get you scheduled at a time that works best for you." Now, if they don't reply to the second follow-up, we have our last follow-up, which goes out after 1 hour, which is, "Hi, first name. This is our last follow-up. If you're still interested in getting a quote for a brand new furnace, please give me a call at the following number. I'd be happy to assist." Very simple. And here's just an overview of how the system works. So we generate the leads on Facebook, ask them 6 to 8 qualification questions. Then they go through our backend automation, which is going to instantly follow up and pre-qualify the leads. We have 2 buckets here. If they reply with a yes, they go into that qualified leads bucket. If they don't reply, then they go into the unqualified leads bucket. And then I'm going to go over why it's important to use retargeting uh, to get more lead and stay top of mind in the next slide. Now, retargeting is equal turn interest into sales. Now, with the rising cost of advertising, you want to maximize the chances of converting all the leads that come into your pipeline into sales. Because on average, it takes 8 to 10 touch points before consumers feel comfortable and familiar enough with your brand to want to do business with you. And tools like retargeting ads, follow up, and email nurture sequence are essential. They keep your brand in front of people, ensuring you're the first name they think of when they're ready to decide. And that's how you become the go to company in your area. So, and here's just an overview of the whole system. Number one, we run proven ads. Number two, we generate and pre qualify the leads. Number three, you show up, give the estimate, and close the sale. And number four, complete the work, get paid. That's about it. If you're ready to scale your HVAC or home improvement company with exclusive high intent leads and your sales team can handle an extra 30 plus estimate requests per month, would love to help. I'll have a link down in the description of this video where you can book a call with me or somebody on the team. See if this is a right fit, if we can partner up. And just so you know, we have area exclusivity, meaning we only work with one company per area. Thanks for watching.